Hey, this is Bakes, Kevin Baker, Stock Market Authority, and I had the privilege yesterday of speaking with my good friends Paul Meeks, Professor Paul Meeks, to you, at the Citadel, and his financing class, and particularly his student managed investment fund. And I started doing this with the student managed investment funds of Bucknell and James Madison for my sons Jack and Bobby, respectively. And I encourage you to reach out if you're in a student managed investment fund. They will teach you the textbook, and I'll teach you the how this really works. And it is a lot of fun. I learn from very very bright young people, and I hope I add some value to that end. Especially, I know how to sell. I know how to read a chart, and I have got a buy and sell discipline that alone will add to your repertoire if you're an Excel virtuoso. Having said that, Progressive, PGR, Jack from Professor Meek's class asked about Progressive, and and again, I've done no fundamental work here whatsoever. So mine is just first impressions. Here's what I see the chart doing, and here are the things that would draw me to or repel me away from a stock. What I don't like is, well, number one, insurance. Make sure that they are not embroiled in some sort of a Pacific Palisades hellscape where they're denying people coverage. People are hate them. They've got political enemies. Their golf tournaments are getting canceled. That they're going to have to respond in some way, kind of like the United Health situation where you make your customers miserable and you don't pay them and fulfill your obligations, and finally the customers get angry enough to really take action. Obviously, that's extreme in the UNH case, United Healthcare. But here in Progressive, here's the peak here back in I guess September. Good God, November, I guess it is. Anyway, but what I don't like is I don't like having a new high with almost no volume. It just the volume evaporates. It just suggests that there is a lack of enthusiasm in buying the name. And so when I see a lot of this pink volume back here, look at these arrows I'm showing you. Okay, that means people are distributing the stock. Blue means they're buying aggressively, and pink means they're selling. I don't like it. Here we are at 232.49, the moving average here, which is just about ready to turn down. And so if that turns down and the stock closes below that, $7 or $8 away, then I would start saying, get out of the way. And just here's the other thing, because I know you're probably looking at this from the long side, because that's what you do. My chronology has always been find attractive charts with the potential for positive change and then do the fundamental work. Don't do all the fundamental work and then all of a sudden you look around and say, this chart is dead and will be dead for a long time. And I don't see Lazarus happening anytime soon. So, progressive to me is an avoid. I could be wrong. But if you see this below 232.49, I'm really not wrong. And if 232, if the 200-day moves down, uh, that's a problem as well. So I would go to more attractive technical candidates to do all the hard fundamental work that you guys do and spend your time there, especially when you own 30, 35 stocks, because the world is so large, you don't need to spend time doing fundamental work where there is nothing going on. And right here, there's nothing going on, in my opinion. So, hope that helps. Reach out to me, Jack. Thanks for the question. Thanks for hosting. 610 Bakes at stockmarketauthority.com. I'm also on Wall Street Beats. Please reach out to me at all the DMs on all the social media, and let's all make money together. I'm going to send a bunch of new things that I'm working on and pretty excited about, and I want you along for the ride. But student management investment funds, Smiths, you're my friend, you're my people, and I want to, buttress buttress, if you will, your formal education with my very informal education, but I make money and I want to help you. So call me when you can, and I'll see you soon. Keep smiling. God bless.